Today, we officially begin the countdown of the 30th edition of the Panagbenga Festival with the theme, Blooming Without End. This year's Panagbenga reminds us that Baguio is a city that continues to grow, progress, renew, and prosper, no matter the challenges we face. For 3 decades, Panagbenga has evolved into more than a festival. It has become a living story of who we are as a people, as one community. Just as flowers bloom season after season, we continue to rise, growing strength from each other, our culture, and our sense of community. Our sincere appreciation to the Panagbenga Executive Committee, led by Commander Anthony De Leon, our national and local partners, the tourism and creative sectors, our barangays, our schools, our business groups, our volunteers, and practically everyone here in the city of Baguio. Our coordination and teamwork are what make this celebration possible. And because of you, we are confident that Panagbenga 2026 will once again be well organized, safe, inclusive, and truly world-class. As we unveil the festival calendar today, we are offering opportunities for everyone to come together, to our artists, to our entrepreneurs, to our visitors from around the world, to once again experience the warmth and beauty of the city of Baguio. May this 30th Panagbenga be a celebration of continuity and hope. Proof that despite all the uncertainties and serious challenges we face as a nation, there is always that spirit that continues to bloom without end. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay.